innovative and latest lesson plan in physics prepared by myself. I am Chandrasekhar. Teaching profession is not everybody's cup of tea. It is an art of imparting new ideas, concepts, and different skills among the students of different levels and different backgrounds. Lesson plan is the learning trajectories of a lesson. The word lesson plan is a combination of two words, lesson and plan. In fact, the lesson plan means preparing and planning for the lesson, which topic to teach, for how much time the lesson has to be completed, which method he or she has to take up, which type of student or he or she to teach, what should be the learning materials to be used, what type of skills, etc. etc. These above points mostly all the teachers are using or adopting previously. In the year 2020, UN organization has emphasized that all lesson plans should have following parameters, that is 21st century skills. 21st century skills are critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, collaboration, perseverance, information literacy, technology skills, and digital literacy, media literacy, civic literacy, social responsibility, innovation skill, thinking skill, decision making skills, self awareness, empathy, coping with emotions, etc. According to some renowned educationist, lesson plan should have 7 E's approach. 7 E होना चाहिए. First one, first E, elicit, structure activities to find about children's idea about the concept and skills you are about to explore. Number 2, engage, use a series of classroom activities that engage students' interest and curiosity. Number 3, explore, provide activities for people to explore particular phenomena, generate their own explanation of these phenomena. Number 4, encounter any misconceptions about these should be explained. Number 5, E, explain, learners should be provided with opportunities to explain their understanding. Number 6, elaborate, this is the application of phased classroom activities. Number 7, E, is evaluate. Learners should be given an opportunity to evaluate their own learning. They should be given a chance to explore why they have been changed their ideas and strength. In 1987, Neil Fleming and group designed WARC model. This model can help educators design instructional approaches that align with this, because all the students are understanding the concepts not by similar way but having different understanding or and better some by WARC method. Visual, auditory, reading, writing, and kinesthetic. Different styles of learnings of the student. Now comes a sample of innovative lesson plan, which prepared by myself for class 12. So first, the design of the lesson plan is like that. First, you write the date, standard, subject, topic, period, name of the facilitator, etc. General objective, students appreciate the scientific approach, students develop scientific attitude, recognizes scientific phenomenon, a learning outcome, electric charge, types, properties of charges, methods of charging, etc. Method of teaching, inquiry come lecture and activity method. Activity should be the integral part of that. Teaching aid, blackboard, bottle, straw, comb, dry cloth, or panel, etc. Whatever you require, you have to write. You can add. Right? Now comes to the ice breaking. Introduce, motivate the student. Hello, student, like that. Take out a paper and dry hair comb. Make small bits of paper, rub your comb on your dry hair, and bring near the small bits of paper what you all observe, write or tell. Then students are totally excited and attentive. Then comes to the when they are attracted towards you. The development of the content, like electric charges, what are the electric charges, how the objects are being charged, electron, proton, and neutron, something, some ideas of the electron, proton, and neutron. And electric charges is a scalar quantity, like that. The charges on the electron and proton. Then normally an object contains equal number of electron and proton. Mass of the electron, also mass of the proton. Object is being charged when the outermost electron is transferred. When a neutron atom lose one electron, it becomes positively charged. When a neutral atom gain one electron, it becomes negative charge. So some blackboard activities also, you have to draw this diagram, how the atoms become positive or the negative charge. Blackboard activity, you have to write something on the blackboard. The charges are of two types. Positive, negative charges can be detected by the gold leaf electroscope. You have to show. It is better to show the electroscope in a class also. And the blackboard or the diagram also you have to draw, like gold leaf electroscope. Like there are some activities also you can show on the blackboard in the class. Then blackboard activity also, and then comes the method of charging. The number one, frictional electrification by rubbing and suitable materials under suitable conditions, show by activity. Frictional electricity क्या होता है? Then the by conduction, charging by physical contact, like in electroscope. Draw the diagram also on the board. Number C, by induction process, by which a charged body makes a conductor charge without physical contact. You can give some examples also.
क्योंकि बहुत सारा approaches है, lesson plan को लिखने का अलग तरीका बहुत सारा है.
This is my presentation.
Approaches को अगर हम एक
A little bit small part of that
तो एक particular मेरा
innovative latest lesson plan in physics. A little bit idea which I explained, and what should be the activity that also you have to see. My explanation is realistic.
तो पहले जो प्रैक्टिसेस है, इसका व्यू है, ये लेटेस्ट हम किसके दिए थे? बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है हम लोग साथ, अच्छा क्लास लेने के बाद आप अच्छा से आपके लेसन प्लान है, बहुत अच्छा, आप अच्छा से वेल प्रिपेयर्ड हैं, गए क्लास किए, लेकिन मन पड़ा जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव. भाई हम लोग जो एक ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है, स्टूडेंट्स एप्रिशिएट द साइंटिफिक अप्रोच. हम ये जानना चाह रहे हैं कि हमको जो टीच करेंगे, खासकर फिजिक्स में हम लोग जो टीच करेंगे, इंक्वायरी कम लेक्चर एंड हैंड एक्टिविटी, तो हम अपना लेके आएंगे. जैसे यहाँ ब्लैक बोर्ड हो गई, बॉटल, स्ट्रॉज, फॉर्म, ड्राई क्रॉस, फ्लैनल, एटसेट्रा. पहले आते के साथ हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे वो लोग हो गया, हम दिखा दिया अपना, वो लोग किया. अब उसके बाद लेसन का डेवलपमेंट. अब वो लोग यहाँ पर मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, ये प्रोटॉन नहीं है, गलत है. प्रोटॉन तो 1.67 into 10⁻27 होता है. बना दिए ब्लैक बोर्ड. या फिर अगर आपके पास स्मार्ट टीवी है, उसमें ये दिखा दी कुछ.
This presentation in the month of November 2024 at TAB Institute. It's my presentation. Now I am showing some activities also, like the charging an object.
दूसरा स्टॉल ये, उसको भी हम लोग रखते हैं.
See the repulsion to same charges.
अपने आप नहीं मूव कर रहा.
Cross
I'm not touching.
check.
टच नहीं कर रहा। कैसा दिखा जा रहा है सर? वो क्या कोर्स है? ये ऐसे से कैसे घूम रहा है? लगा। इस तरह से लगा है। Actually surface and insertion, समावेश, वो करना क्या क्या जरूरत है? इधर this chapter and highlighted the keywords. Also जो हम लोग बताए हैं उसके अलावा कुछ है ये भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट। आजकल होता क्या है हम लोग जानते हैं सबके साथ है हम लोग कोर्स फिनिश करना है तो कोर्स फिनिश करने के लिए भाई दन 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 तो रिव्यू के बाद समरी एंड रिव्यू के बाद इवैल्यूएशन कुछ हम जानते हैं लिखने का उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है। होम असाइनमेंट जब दे रहे हैं तो होम असाइनमेंट में हम लोग को खासकर रूल्स हायर पैरामीटर्स को इंक्लूड करने हैं तो हम समझते हैं कि अगर जहाँ पॉसिबल हो हम समझते हैं कि वो इनोवेशन वाला पार्ट जो है साइंटिस्ट बनने का एक प्रक्रिया थोड़ा सा बीजारोपण हो जाएगा सीडिंग तो वे लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आएगा यहाँ क्वांटाइजेशन वाला अगर आप बोर्ड नहीं बताएं तो यहाँ पर वो लोग को सोचना होगा या बताएं तो उसको रिलेट करेगा स्टूडेंट आपको लगता है कि उसमें हम जितना बताएं वो थोड़ा सा क्या उसमें कुछ हम और मसाला दे सकते हैं तो हम लोग रिमेडियल क्लास अगर ले बुक जो है फिजिक्स का वो देखो इम्पॉर्टेंट लिंक्स बता दिए
Work model, the visual, audio, reading and writing, and the kinesthetic. So in case of how we are going to, for visual, show some videos. Audio, discuss some keywords like charge, types of charges, delivering the lecture, explanation of the words, keywords. Then the third point, reading of or writing, distribute ideas, materials of the reading materials of the chapters and highlights the keywords. For kinesthetic, hands-on activity should be given by providing electroscope, bottle, straws, hanky, comb, inspire them to do some activities. So these all four combinations should be there in your lesson plan. Then comes the application. Try to apply the concept into what happens to, in some question. What happens to the normal flow of tap water when a charged rod is brought near it? A spark can be observed in dark. A person brisking walking on the dry carpet gets electrified. A mild water electric shock, like that. And you have to note the expected answer. Summary and the review. Summarize the content. That's important. If you are not summarized, they are going to forget. Then evaluation. Ask verbal question or quizzing. What do you mean by a charge? What is the amount of charge on an electron? What are the two types of charges? How negative and positive charges are created? What are the methods of charging? You have to ask or in the form of quizzing. That's better. Home assignment. Now this is important. Bloom's higher parameters should be included. Like in case of the when body becomes negative charge, its mass increase or decrease. Like that, all these questions are there. How much is the charge on an electron? The units of charge, method of charging. This is the analysis. Analyze the concept. Then how an electron object is being charged. That's the creation. Then synthesis. All these parameters should be included in the home assignment. How much electron is equal to 1 coulomb of charge? That is the quantization of charge. These students are going to think, pushing their limit. Something और आगे का सोचना जरूरी है. Then after evaluation, you have to understand whether the student have understood or not. Then the remedial classes, if required, you have to take. Then reference books you have to provide because you are the facilitator. NCERT book, important links, YouTube links, yes classes, PW or eSarl, signature of the facilitator. That is your lesson plan. And at last, thank you very much for listening patiently. This is the way how to write.